Hello everyone, welcome to FinanceVerse, your daily dose of simple and powerful finance knowledge. Let's dive in. Have you ever wondered how people make money by buying and selling stocks? What exactly is the stock market, and why is it so powerful? The stock market is a place where shares of companies are bought and sold. Simply put, it's like a big online store, but instead of products, you buy parts of companies. Stock markets help companies raise money for growth, create jobs, and contribute to a country's economy. A growing stock market is often a sign of a strong economy. Companies sell shares to raise money for their business. Investors like us buy shares hoping the company will grow, and we can make a profit. You can invest through stock exchanges like the BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange, and NSE, National Stock Exchange, in India. The stock market helps companies grow and allows common people to build wealth over time. Remember, investing in stocks also involves risk. It's important to learn and invest wisely. There are two types of stock markets. Primary market, where companies issue new shares for the first time, like an IPO. Secondary market, where everyday buying and selling happens between investors. Some of the world's famous stock markets are Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, National Stock Exchange, NSE, New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, NASDAQ. These markets help investors from all over the world. People invest in the stock market to grow their money faster than keeping it in a bank. Historically, markets have provided better returns over the long term compared to fixed deposits or savings. If you found this easy to understand, imagine what else you can learn. Follow FinanceVerse for daily finance knowledge and beginner-friendly tips to grow your wealth.